Okay, so sorry. I'm going to solve DSA problem. Okay, so here I'm just sharing my screen with you. Okay, I'm just going to find out factorial number. Okay, so I think you already knew about factorial numbers. Okay, so this is the formula, recursive formula, n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, and 0 factorial equals to 1. Okay, so n equals to 4. Here you can see in step 1 factorial of 4. Okay, so 4 into factorial of 3. Okay, b will break factorial of 4 equals to 4 into factorial 3, and factorial 3 will become like this, 3 into factorial 2, and factorial 2 will become 2 into factorial 1. Okay, and factorial 1 I reach at base case. Okay, so factorial 1 we have, what we have, sorry, factorial 1 we have 1, factorial of 1 is 1. Okay, and factorial 0 is also 1. So here return path 4 into 3 into 1 into 1, that is equals to 24. Okay, so we can calculate our factorial with the help of recursion like this. Okay, factorial 4, 4 into factorial 3, 3 into factorial 2, 2 into factorial 1, and base case. Okay, 4 into 3 into 2 and into 1, I got 24. Here I'm just going to create class equals to, actually I already have code here. Okay, so I'm just writing again that you can understand. Okay, class factorial, sorry, not a class factorial, class equals to solution. Okay, this is the function is factorial. Okay, here I'm just going to pass what, self and number, self and n. Okay, n should be integer. Okay, n means we are going to find out factorial number. Okay, so n of 4. Okay, so we are just going to find out factorial of 4. Here should be, output should be an integer. Okay, I'm just writing code for base case. So initially we have base case. Okay, so if n equals to 0 or n equals to 1. Okay, then factorial of this, what, it will return 1 because we have factorial 1. Okay, n equals to 1, factorial 1, we have n equals to 0 and n equals to 1. So factorial of n, factorial of 0 and factorial of 1, we have 1, so that's why I just written 1. Okay, and here this is for recursive call, recursive case. Okay, so here recursive case. Okay, so I'm just return this condition n into factorial n minus 1. Okay, because n our, here our n is decreased by 1. Okay, previously we have n equals to 4, now it will become 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so here n into self dot factorial n minus 1. Okay, so what problem solved now, so we can test our problem. Okay, I'm just using these two example. Okay, so here this is for test that our code will working or not. Okay, so print solution, this is the class and this is the function name. Here I'm just passing 4, not okay, not 5. And here I'm just taking another number, that is 0. Okay, so what we got here, output 24, factorial of 4 is 24, and factorial of 0 I got 0, sorry, 1. Okay, so here you can return like this, return n means 4, into self factorial n minus 1 is 3. Okay, you can write like this. 3, again you can check this condition, 3 n equals to 3 into factorial of n minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so here I got uh, again uh, again n equals to 2. Okay, into factorial of n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, and here we reached at base case. Okay, so 1 into self factorial 1 minus 1. Okay, so we reach at zero case, sorry, base case, and here you can calculate your uh, factorial. 4 into 3 into 1, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. Okay, so here I got my output 24 and 1. Factorial of 4 is 24 and factorial of 0, 1.